If you've taken more than 5 TOEFL practice tests and you still haven't passed your TOEFL IBT, you're doing it wrong. Hello, my name is Mr. Hearn, and I am your TOEFL tutor. Hey, you know what? When I first started teaching my students how to score over 100 on their TOEFL IBT, I had black hair. And I've learned a lot of things since then. And one of the things I've learned about the TOEFL IBT is that it's not hard and it's not what you think it is. The TOEFL IBT is actually really easy to pass when you know how to do it. You see, most of the time people are taking the test in the wrong way. You're answering questions the way you've done in the past. The TOEFL IBT is its own kind of test. And if you use the methods that I teach you, you will be able to earn a respectable passing score in a very short time. When I'm talking about just 5 practice tests, you see, think of the TOEFL IBT as a series of locks. If you have the wrong keys, all the practice in the world isn't going to open the lock. But when you have the right keys, it's easy, right? You just put the key in the lock and turn it, and voila, it opens. That's what I do in my online TOEFL course. I give you the right keys for each question so that you can answer it quickly and accurately, get that score of well over 100, and get on with your life. All right? Now, don't waste any more time. Just go to my online video course, click the link in the description below, go to the course, subscribe, and pass your TOEFL IBT. I make it as economical as possible for you to pass as quickly as possible. Stop wasting time. Just go. Take my course. Pass your test. Get on with your life. All right. I'll see you there.